Sliders, I am your instructor, ArianElizabeth. Today we are working on legs. You don't need much for this workout. All you're going to need are a pair of core sliders. If you don't have these, type in core sliders on Amazon. A ton of them will pop up. In the meantime though, if you're on carpet, you can use plastic lids. If you're on a hardwood floor surface, you can use socks or towels. There's so many things people have come up with. I'm sure you'll come up with something. For this workout, I'm going to take you through 4 exercises. We're going to do those for 4 rounds. And for the first round, I'm going to give you a ton of instruction. On the following 3, not so much, but I'm going to be doing it with you so you won't get lost. Are you ready? This is going to be fun. Oh, hit the subscribe button right now. I'll wait. All right, thank you so much. Welcome to Slide with ArianElizabeth. You ready? Round 1, we're going to start off with our abs. This exercise is going to allow us to work out and warm up the entire body. So first up, the Slidez. You're going to put your toes in the center of the Slidez, and that's going to be on both of them. You're going to go out into a push-up stance. You're going to bring the knees towards the chest. You're going to go back out. You're going to open out to the side and lift your butt at the same time using your abs, like so. Okay? You're going to go right back down, going back to flat back. Bring those knees into your chest. The whole time you're doing this, you don't want your core to move at all, okay? It's going to be difficult, but really try for that. So when you push those legs back, keep that back flat. When you bring those knees in, keep that back flat. When you go back out and you bring it out to the side, that's the only time where you really lift those hips up as high as you possibly can, taking the legs out to the side, and then returning back where you began. Are you ready? We're going to do 12 of these. Here we go. Start out. Here we go. Bring it in, out, lift it up. That's 1. In, out, lift it up. That's 2. In, 3. In, 4. In, 5. 6. 7. Come on, just 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Woo! Good warm up, right? Good. Alrighty. Next exercise are bridge lifts. On this exercise, now the slides are going on your heels. So take your heels and put them directly in the center of your slides. You're going to lay back on your back, your arms out to the side. And what you're going to do is you're going to dig into your slides with your heels and bring them right up to your butt. But simultaneously, you're going to lift up, okay? So you're going to go out and you're going to lift up with those abs. And when you pull in, make sure that you're digging in with the heels, but you really squeeze those glutes at the same time, okay? We're going to do 12. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Keep those abs engaged, nice and tight, nice and pulled in. That's 7, 8, 9, 10. Feel it in those hamstrings. 11 and 12. Good job. Stay there. Don't move, because exercise number 3 is pretty close to this one. Step 4, we're going to do toe flicks. You also don't want your heels in the slides. You want your toes in the center of the slides, okay? You're going to go right back down to your back. You're going to lift those hips up, but at the same time, you're going to flick your legs 10 times, forward and back. Then you're going to go out and in 10 times really quick. This is going to burn. I'm going to warn you, but hang in there. Are you ready? Here we go. Get ready. Lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, and 10. Woo! You feel that? I do. Alrighty, exercise number 4. We're moving right along. These are going to be our spread eagles. Again, the Sliides go in the center of your toes. This time you're going down to a forearm. Same concept. We're going to open our legs wide open and then close together. So you're going to lift up. You're going to open out to the side and bring it back down. Same concept. When you're straight, keep that back nice and straight. Keep that tummy pulled up nice and tight. And when you spread those legs, spread them wide. You want to really work those hip flexors, and you're going to get a really good quad workout when you do it that way. Are you ready? Just 12. Here we go. Lift up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Really dig in. 5. Spread it wide. 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 more. 10, 11, and 12. Good job. Stay right there. Exercise number 5. The Sliides are going to stay right where you're, right where they are. Bring them as close as you possibly can. Now you're going to point the toes so that the Sliides go away from you. Then flex the toes so that the Sliides come towards you. Okay? Do it again. Point the toes. Then flex the toes. Okay? You should really feel this on your tibialis, which is the muscle that runs along your shins. Okay? So I'm just pointing and flexing. And then all of a sudden, you're going to feel a burn. Because now, hold it down. We're going to bring it in for 3. So 1, 2, 3. Take it out. 1, 2, 3. Pull it in as tight as you can. 1, 2. Then really get it in there. 3. Then back down. Do it again. 1, 2. Hold this one. Then halfway out, halfway, and back in. Halfway, halfway. Really flex. Really flex. You got to really pull it in if you want to get the results of this workout. Pull it in. I know it's burning. Mine are too. Hold this one in. Now we're going to do it fast. Here we go. Pulse, 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 pulse. Come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. Good job. That's round 1. Here we go. Round 2. Starting off with abs again. I'll do it this way. Remember, we're going to go into our knees, back out, lift those hips up nice and high, all in a push-up stance. Are you ready? Because it's about to get popping. Here we go. Lift it up, in, lift it up, in, up. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last one. I lied. 2 more. 1. Woo! And 2. Good job. Forgot we're doing 12, right? Back down to our bridges. Dig those heels into the Sliides again. Lay out flat, just like we did before. Hands out to the side. Here we go for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Stay there. Toes. Now lift. And flick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Open. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Just made it. Next exercise, spread eagles. Remember, do this on your forearms. Get those legs nice and wide. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 11, and 12. Good job. Tibialis muscle. Here we go. Point, flex, point, flex, point, flex. Leave this one pointed, bring it in for 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Down. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold the next one in. 1, 2, hold it. Now halfway out, open, halfway, open, halfway, open, halfway, open, halfway, halfway, halfway. Now small pulses, in, in, in. Woo! Good job. I'm sweating like a dog, but that's only 2 rounds. Time to keep going. Are you hanging in there? We've already done 2 rounds. We got 2 more rounds to go. You're almost there. Keep pushing. Watch me if you fall behind or you forget something. I'm going to continue to help you. We're going to do this together. Are you ready? Let's go. For best results, do the same workout twice per day at minimum 1 time per day. Just pick 10 days out of the next 14 to repeat this workout, and by the time you're done, I would have uploaded another video to continue to challenge you and to push you towards the body that you've always dreamed of. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share it with a friend, leave your comments, ask questions, make suggestions, all of that. I'd so love to hear from you. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Arian, and thanks for sliding with me.